Well, it is 2:09 here at the Longhorn Classic, and I was told that the birds wouldn't be here until at least like 2:30, 2:45, so I didn't have this going, but we just got some birds home. Shit. I'm so sorry, everybody.
They're here already?
Yep.
They are.
They shocked me.
What time did they get here?
Like 2:05.
Oh my goodness. That's fast.
It's like 18.
Come in.
18. Hi.
Hi, how are you? This is my wife. Nice to meet you. Man, that is fast.
Yeah, it caught me off guard.
I bet.
I was just, I usually tend to err on the side of logging in too soon
Right,
because I don't want to miss them.
right.
And I was just about to log in and there they came.
Pretty good first drop. I ain't even looked yet.
6. Oh, I gotta- I think there's quite a few birds home already.
Yeah, I see over 100.
Wow. Mike's still.
I might be wrong. I don't know. Let me look at the times. No, it's not. Sorry, I bad information.
Well, you know what happened was a hard decision. Car would be better if I moved at a slower speed, but
Once it didn't get in, would have got bad time.
see, there's going to be a storm on Thursday,
Yeah.
so we just wanted to, last year we didn't get in daybirds, and we wanted to make sure they have the second biggest wind.
I read y'all's comments on your website. I thought that was a good idea.
Yeah, well, we knew it was going to be a little bit softer, but
Y'all keep looking at your phone, you gonna miss all this.
That's dropped to the race. Thank God their traffic times are amazing. I was tired. I came up from the top. He's tired. Get the wings and drop. See how the wings at the side? They won't.
ready? Yeah, Mike worked hard on the traffic.
Oh, yeah. It shows. So does this one pay by the drop or the? No. 6 on the first drop.
Oh, you're no bother us. Okay. Ours is louder
No,
than
he's not bothering us at all. They're tramping real good though for the speeds.
Sometimes they almost fly it.
Yeah. Or see the shadow. See the shadows. That's 1,800 yards of minute. That's better than 19. That's flying. For 400, that's cooking.
It might keep the birds in good shape because a lot of things.
They look here. Look at them. What they're coming in. They come in. Traffic.
Never gives up on, never stops shooting.
I see the speed limit. You can check the week.
All I got you is just while you looked down, both y'all looked down, there was like a ton came in.
Oh yeah.
You know, if you look down the wrong time,
And that's just about the right line, right? Isn't that?
yeah.
They've got 61 in right now. 61.
Is that it?
61.
I thought
274.
Sometimes.
So look how high they are. Look at that road right there. That's about 5. Look at that white.
I think you're watching the phone will lag right here, Jack.
That's what?
The phone's probably lagging a little.
Maybe. That 10 right there, 15.
And so fast while ago, I thought they were dropping down and going in.
He's high. Look at how high he is.
Oh boy, he is high. There's some more.
81 is what I got. What do you got? That was heat seal come in real high. It was real high.
I think there's some coming out back.
Ooh, there's a bunch over there. Look at all that. There's
How can you tell by their wings? Are they dropped?
Yeah, you can tell they're tired. Their wings are down by their side. They've had them out all the time, this whole 400 miles. When they hit, they drop their wings. You can tell they're tired because they're dragging their wings. Watch the when the next group comes in, you'll see their wings will be slumpy.
So fast.
I've got a water, Dr. Pepper,
Oh,
I used to race back in the 80s, and I got out for about 40 years. And I just got back in this last year. It was our first time to race again. We just love it. We're retired. We live up in Oklahoma. We were with the Red River Outlaws, which we fly with the Denton and the Dallas guys. But we got our own little club up there. We really enjoy our birds. We love our birds.
This is my first year to see something like this, so it's interesting.
Oh, it's exciting.
It's fascinating. It really is.
Yeah, you know, I could barely find my way home. You know, if you drop me off like 3 miles from my house.
How can you find your way home?
By the way, finding this out here.
So, sometimes I even got my phone and it's got a map on it. I can't tell how to get home. You just watch up there and watch it coming in. They're coming in high.
Oh, yeah.
They're coming in. See, that breeze is bringing them on in.
Do you like to sit down? I can sit on the truck.
Oh, no, I've got chairs. I just, no. So stressed out because, like I said, I missed the first birds coming out. I always try to start it early.
Well, you know, we didn't think they'd even be here at 3 o'clock. But we was lucky. We said we'd be lucky if they'd be here by 3:30. I told her 3:30.
Might be saying
You had that.
like 2:45.
You had that crosswind coming. But when it started out with a tailwind, and most of it was a tailwind all the way through Oklahoma. And northwest wind, kind of a tailwind.
I know that you never know.
Yes,
Well,
you do.
the 300 they didn't hear till what, 2:30?
Yeah, they got here at 2:36, I think. But that one,
There was some fog out. There was some cloud cover.
yeah, most of our races this year have been, you know, decent speeds. You know, I think our fastest one this year was
Oh, yes,
Butch.
yeah. Butch.
Butch.
Was it a question or was it any given day?
Well, 1-1.
1-1?
Yeah. Is any given day, is that,
Philip
okay.
Out of Dallas.
Robertson? Robertson?
Huh? Solo.
Oh, here's some sun. See, they're
There's
coming
a
out
bunch
back.
of them. Look at Grizzle with a black tail.
Yeah, usually when you get later like this, you'll start getting some overfly, but a lot of that could be they just come in so high they help around.
Bunch of other stuff. We'll come in from the north with
It's funny to watch them first one. They circle one time, or something, it doesn't circle pop.
That one over there. It looks like it. Am I
Yeah.
just seeing stuff
Yeah, what,
underneath the sheet?
yeah,
I don't know if it's injured.
There you go.
good job.
Tired of it. Let's see, they've been flying up 4 miles.
Y'all see them
Man,
in July on that something.
Because
Texas
what's the
Center
drive?
race. Oh,
Don't see them walking. Same thing.
Right.
Same thing with him.
Well, today it's 3-1.
yes, Mohammed. Watching my birds not make it in here. Yeah. Yeah, they come in fast. Fast. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Rick Smith, Rick Smith holds the 400.
Okay, wow.
So,
5 or 6 of them there.
yeah. It might be 28. And it's fast. It's fast. Because I'm 24/40, so yeah, I think it's 28.
6.
It's fast.
They can do 600 today.
Mine was over 99. Yeah, but by the way, the fastest one, Rico's the fastest one of anybody in the U.S. Yeah, well, I think that day there was a 300, 350, 400 balls
Let's come in with them.
because it just spread out how big the club was.
Just landed here.
Yeah, well, they said 3 of them in one day for the same race. The concourse is so big. And nobody was ready for it. Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, really?
I don't know what that was doing.
Yeah.
We're going to have good returns today.
You look dazed.
Good return.
Well,
Oh,
yeah,
I
the
got
high
half of them
speed
back already.
on a longer range.
He can be swooping.
If they circle one time, like,
Yeah, 274.
blows
That's what
up,
we got.
you know, that's a lot of time. That bird of mine, it flew in and was still blocked with
You got 127 right now.
Caterpillar.
We're almost halfway there.
Let me get off here and watch birds
good-
come in a while.
that's a
I'll hurry
good-
to the way home.
Yeah, that's real good because you're only in about 30 minutes since you got your first drop. So it's going to run real high. Oh, whitey.
Somebody's got a bunch of light colored ones in the light.
Whitey.
He's either got a dark tail or it's a little short. And it's dark.
We just almost missed it, but
There's still another M blue bar right behind it. It's just awesome to watch them. How you go 400 miles, know you will.
Just be able to fly that long.
I know it. I know it. And if you see they're ready to get, they could win another 100.
That just shows off. I mean, he's tired. Let me
No.
go around.
Oh, Whitey, he went right on in. He done flew 15 laps. He's ready to go again.
He's like, look, we're first. We're the first ones here. Look at us.
Yeah. Very interesting to watch him come in. Finish it, come in there. You know what I'm saying? We usually only fly like 10 or 15. You know what I'm saying? To see all these birds come in.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
There comes one. He overflew. He come from the south. He's trapping here to go. Look at it. That's usually the way ours do on race day. We haven't any trouble trapping. They do just half a turn and they're in. That's the way you want them to do. They're trapping real good. Yeah. About 10 or 15 on the short toss. Here he comes, old blue boy. Forward, big boy. Forward. Forward.
so they left the birds out in that big
That's their Avery right there. Yeah.
So how many birds do you have here?
Right
270 went on this race. 270 something, right?
Yeah, 274, but that was optional, so some people did it, some people didn't.
Some of them they've already shipped the birds. You already shipped birds back to some of them?
Just a few, yeah. Because most people put maybe one of their birds in. So
Yeah.
we're just waiting to see what happens.
And after this race, they'll start shipping them all back to the owners. Or owners will come down and pick them up.
We started with, I think 1,000 eggs. Walk holds about 1,200. Originally, we thought.
So y'all don't fly club races?
No, we don't have our own birds.
You don't have
right
no
now.
young bird. You don't fly with the Denton Club or anything?
We're in the club, but we're not flying.
Oh, right, okay.
This keeps us pretty busy.
This would, yeah. Many birds that you had. That's on one.
That's 60 miles per hour.
Was it 60?
63 or something like that. 1,800, 1,600.
We were going to build a house out here when we first bought it.
Right.
My parents got sickly all of a sudden. My dad had Parkinson's. My mom couldn't really remember anything.
Right.
They couldn't live alone. So we lived with them the last 3 years.
About 5 of them got together then. Feet under them yet. Flying.
We're going to talk to Loft up here. Hurry.
He's tired.
Yeah, I'm going to look around a while.
Yeah, he's tired. There's no other things. them old white flights. Get on in there and bring the one on the roof with you. Come on. And y'all got already paying folks back. That's a good sign, I think.
They load them out of that.
Huh?
To load them up to take
That's
them
how
up
they
the
load
hill.
them right there, that chute right there. See that chute on the end?
Yeah, that can go up and down because the trailer has different levels.
Right.
So that goes up and down.
Got 141 out of
So do you have
274.
different cages in there that you open to let the birds out that you want to go out, or do you have to catch them?
No, we don't catch them, but there's different. We have like 15 sections with doors, so we can, certain times of the year, like right now, we're holding like the local birds in one section, and we're holding the not going to the 400 birds in another section, and then we've got the 400, so it's nice because we can section them off in different ways.
That way, you've got them divided and ain't got to do it all at once. You've already done a little at a time.
When somebody comes and wants to pick your bird up, that's a lot of looking.
That one, he's still up on top.
Unless it's white or black.
See how hard time going in. See that? He's having a hard time going in. That's how they give everything they have. Get home. That's a prime example right there. How they give every ounce they can to get home.
And is this a widow head, or is this
No, this is just basic. This is still Ben flies a widow.
Although they're now officially old birds. And
Yeah, we're keeping
January.
birds. I know we're keeping birds for, it's
Some of
optional
them.
over the winter. We're doing a 4 race yearly series.
Right. Go to.
Keeping a
You'll go piling in.
Y'all can take a vacation instead of racing.
yeah, we think about 9. Like I said, we're taking care of my parents.
Right.
he must stop?
Yeah, a few times. Gas. I think he has to get gas a few times.
Yep.
Where'd they come from?
They were in Minnesota.
Kansas.
No, wait a minute. Minneapolis,
Minneapolis,
Kansas.
Kansas.
Oh wow,
Straight north as you go.
what a boy drive.
Straight north as you go. He looking like the birds. He getting out of the slow. It's just like the birds.
These legs aren't working
That's
either.
what I was telling her. The way the birds are coming in and having trouble walking is the way we do when we drive and we have to get out to get gas or something. We do the same thing. Try to find our legs.
Yeah,
It was a pretty day. We thought we'd come out here and watch some. Right?
It's beautiful out.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes.
For January.
I think the thing said 77 or 75.
Yeah.
the first bird got here at like 2:05.
I'm Jack. Pleased to meet you. I'm friend of Dan's. I just got back in. I was telling your wife, I just got back in. I flew back in the 80s, but I just got back in this last year. Started flying again, and we come down to watch the birds. Boy, they are coming in. They already got half of them back.
Yeah. Watching on my phone.
They're coming in groves. That's a good day for it.
I think it was a good call. I mean, we don't really want to tell when, but with that bad weather, it's like we had.
Yeah, they were showing going to be stronger headwinds. Their limit's like 10 miles an hour.
Right.
And there was some areas that was 11 and 12, and then that doesn't count the gusts. Second.
I saw you were watching it. Call. I was talking to Rick, of course. He thought it was the right call.
Oh, good.
Well, we know people don't like the,
Well, people gonna gripe because that's the way they are.
If they don't win, if they win, they ain't griping.
We're never gonna win.
That
That
don't
was a
happen.
great race.
Yeah, it's always great when they win.
Well, those birds are tired though. They're barely walking in.
Oh,
They're having a hard time finding the legs. Go dark checker. A group of them come in there.
But they're trapping right in.
Did you see any of the
I saw them with my eyeballs.
well, I mean,
I didn't see them with the Facebook Live.
no, I mean, there was I saw the 6, and there was a couple, and then there was kind of,
Yeah,
where they,
two big groups. Yeah, they came out. But there was two
They'll
big
be high though.
giant-
Some of them might. They'll be real high.
oh,
Real high. Come 3.
You could call that 6 first drop, or you big drops on this one.
yeah, we did the first 6 was pretty high.
That's what keeps you. That's
They're
right.
having trouble finding the legs out there. Here comes a little red chick.
That one looks
first
like
red
you
chick he
getting out of
said.
the truck.
That was you getting out of the truck.
It's,
That
that,
one.
Oh,
that one.
no. You know, it's funny because all of a sudden I'm looking at the live to see what the speed was. I'm like, okay, you can make 1760 today. I'm trying to see if I can get here fast enough. I'm trying to calculate it out. I'm like, damn, I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Nah, you ain't gonna make it.
And then all of a sudden I go to click out of that and to see if you were on Facebook Live already.
Where was you at when the first one's actually hit?
I just got off
Yeah.
35 and started to come on that
51.
51, yeah.
They was already here.
Yeah, and all of a sudden, that's probably about 3-4 miles into it, and all of a sudden, here they are. I saw the first 6.
Right, yeah. Yeah, it's interesting. There come one real high. He's way up there. Come on.
Oh.
He's real high.
Well, enjoy your vacation, and we'll get back with you after that. I really, you did a good job on the race down here. I like to come down every now and then. It was such a pretty day. I called Jack. I said, let's go down there. We should have left about 30 minutes earlier.
Bird on the chute.
Oh, that's
That is a drive.
I bet. That's a pretty desolate looking area out there, too.
Yeah, I was surprised how not a whole lot out there.
The sun, I thought the sun would be a little higher at that time, too.
I think sunrise up there was supposed to be like 7:50.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
So
Yeah, that's what I hadn't done. That's what I told Rusty. Because Rusty told me, man, it looks beautiful place up there. And I said, yeah, I don't know what their sunrise time's us, obviously later. Obviously, it didn't affect them none. I've never been awake very old their times.
Get over here. Get out of the sun.
right over here.
Yeah, out of the sun.
Yeah, shade.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. We're gonna wrap it up. Let me see. What do we have here? We have 197, almost 200, almost 200 out of 274 in, and we got 6 on the drop. Blackbirds. 6 on the drop. So I want to say congratulations to Mia Test, Family Loft out of New Mexico, Bruno P. Loft out of New Jersey, Gina and Eddie out of California, David Knightis of Vermont, Lofty won South Carolina. Amelia and Devore out of Georgia. Birds did great today. Car going by. Anyway, birds did great today. Thank you for everybody. Thanks everybody for participating. Now the next thing to get into is the Yearling Classic 4-race series. So let us know if you want your birds to stay. It's $100 per bird perch fee, and there'll be a activation race in March. But we'll get to keep them training, give them a little time off, and we'll get back at it. But anyway, thanks to everybody. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.